Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Andreja premium faucet in the shop. I came in for a few reasons, but mainly the machine just needed a general tune-up, quite a lot actually. As you can see, here is the original shower screen, completely clogged up with coffee, and then also the gasket, which as you can see is very brittle now, and it's able to be snapped in half if you squeeze on it. I also noticed that the machine would flicker. It'll turn on and off, on and off. What I noticed is that the water level probe had something to do with it, so I did polish the water level probe. It's quite bad. Put it back on. I haven't seen the issue as of yet with the flickering of the machine, but besides that, we have the finished product here. Full deep cleaning, descaling, cleaning of the coffee inside of the group head, and also the E61 valve. The descale took quite a while, and the reason for that was just there was so much scale inside of both the heat exchanger and also the steam boiler that it took a lot of flushing, a lot of descaling, and then at the end of it, I also drained the boiler manually so that there's no descaler left inside and completely clean water. The result of that is that the steam line is actually really good. As you can see, nice strong steam now that there's not scale bogging it or anything like that. The elements are quick to heat. Hot water type if you need hot water. Nice and quick. You're going to hear the pump kick on in a second. And then we're going to quickly brew a shot. Don't worry if the shot runs a little bit too fast or slow. We don't calibrate our grinders to the machines. We're just using them for testing, of course. So we're just going to brew a shot real quick. Yeah, it's probably going to run a little too slow. Yeah, or a little too fast. That's fine. We're just making sure that water comes out the front at a steady pace. We're going to take this out. I did deep clean the water filters too. There's a little bit of coffee stuck. We ran out of water actually. Yeah, nice and steady stream of water through the front. It's just too coarse of a coffee here. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.